Hey, support group. We try pretty hard here to practice what we preach in our daily lives as we're talking about being proactive and being prepared. We had a little boo-boo over the weekend. Rhodes has been on a Medtronic pump for many years, but his current pump he's had for a few years, and he just plugs along. It works pretty well, and one day this weekend it just gave out. So catastrophic problem. The pump started putting off an emergency alert. It said disconnect your pump and seek an alternative source of insulin. So we checked the manual. It said call the 1-800 number for the manufacturer of the pump. We did. They were very helpful. They told us that yes, the pump cannot be reactivated, and that it needed to be sent back, and they would send him a new one since it was in warranty. However, it wouldn't arrive till Monday or Tuesday. So we had to go back to the drawing board, and Rhodes realized he did not keep a supply of long-acting insulin like Lantus that he would be taking through his pump. So it reminded us to always stay prepared. You never know when something could go wrong. Before we head out, if any of us have plans to spend some time at the beach or get away, not be home, it makes a lot of sense to check your supplies and your stock. And if you have the ability to pick up some extra supplies so that you have what you need in case something does not go the way you expect it to. So stay prepared, be proactive, and have a great summer. Thanks, guys.